In today's lesson, we are going to learn about different physical land features. A physical map usually includes labels for things such as mountain ranges and bodies of water. And we're going to look at some of those different features and see how they are different and what they look like. This feature is called a plain. It means that it is a large area of really flat land and there's not very many trees, if none at all. This is a hill. Looking at a hill, you're going to see that the top of it is usually rounded and they're not as tall as mountains. They're often a lot shorter than mountains. This physical feature is a mountain. It is often having a higher elevation, much higher than a hill, usually has pointy or rigid tops. Now let's look at a valley. So you're going to notice a valley occurs. It is the lowland between either mountain ranges or two hills. So you can see where the road is. That would be part of the valley. Next, let's look at a canyon. This is a very deep valley, usually with steep sides. And often you can find water floating through it. So you can see there is water flowing through this canyon. Our next feature is a peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded almost all by water. Usually that means there are three sides that have water around it and one side that is connected to land. Next, let's look at an island. An island is an area of land that is completely surrounded by water. This natural feature is a river. It is a large stream of water that is flowing. So that's how make a river different than a lake. Rivers are flowing, meaning the water moves through it. Next, let's look at a lake. A lake is a large inland body of water, meaning it is surrounded by land. It is different from a river because the water is not flowing. It is just standing. And let's look at our last land physical feature, which is an ocean. The ocean is a body of salt water that is nearly 3/4 of the surface